Where are you going? What will you do? Hey, it's Megan, brings the world to you.
Hello everyone, it's Megan. I am at the Myakka Elephant Ranch, and it's a place where it's a conservation place for elephants. And I believe the elephants at one point were like working elephants that were in like circuses and whatnot. So this is kind of like where they come to retire. And it's, a safe place for them to live out their later years. So I'm super excited to see some elephants. They're one of my favorite animals. And this is like a conservation educational tour. So they'll tell you about the different aspects of elephants and whatnot. So I'm excited. This looks like maybe the field that they let them come out and walk about in. I just checked in and went to the restroom and I saw one of the elephants hanging out.
They can actually grow up to about 6 feet long on the female African elephants. The males, the bulls, they have the dominant eyebrow. You can actually grow up to about 14 feet long on some of the males. Huge eyebrow on some of the males. And then the female Asian elephant, very small eyebrow. Bob's turn.
Become ambassadors for them as well. So if you post any pictures after visit, please use hashtag Myakka Elephant Ranch. You go to the community, invite friends and family on our Facebook page.
There's 3 more coming in. They're male of patriot.
Where do they come from?
They're in the United States. They're retired, and one's the young one. But can't say too much. So yeah. All right, but this is Patty's wedding, documentary, on and on. Now retired. This is her home, the rest of her life. The Africans, a little bit different story, because the Africans, back in the late 70s, 80s, governments in Africa would measure rainfall, how much vegetation, and contain all these herds of elephants. It would take them as elephants completely down, left the babies back then as orphans, and that's what it would sell to Europe, South America, and the United States. So Susie came in 88. She came, spent 5 years in circuses. Then she was purchased by Hayden that did a lot of stuff in California, commercials, movies, and all of the entertainment there. She did that about 9 years ago. Then she was retired to his home in Oregon. She's been living there all this time. Hayden came here and saw the facility. So much better for these two at their age. So they're here hopefully for the rest of their life. Baba there, a little bit different story, because she came in 93. 93, they had already stopped bringing orphans over. Very difficult to bring an elephant over. She came by special connection, her and a boy elephant, to Michael Jackson. They were part of the zoo there in California. So she spent most of her life there at the zoo. But when they closed the zoo, Hayden had done a lot of work for Michael Jackson. He got to know him, so he wanted Baba to be with Susie for the rest of her life. So he gave Baba to Hayden, and we lived together over 20 years as a girl. So that's their life story. All right, another question. Son and daughter's turn. They went, got their degrees. I didn't think you would want to do this for the rest of their lives, like me, but they decided to.
We're going to interact with the elephant. We're going to interact with the elephants. Hi. Sure. Hi. Let me open it back up again. Thank you. Hi.
Hold still for a picture.
Thank you. Bye, buddy. This is one of their watering holes. They were saying they have a medical facility here for the elephants, and they have like acreage as well for them to go to. They have a little gift shop. Oh, this is cute. So that was so much fun. I really enjoyed coming out here. This was just the like basic educational overview of the elephants. They do different tours. Like you could come in and do like a spa day with the elephants where you help bathe them. Yeah, they have different programs going on here. But I so enjoyed this. Elephants are one of my favorite animals, and it was just so fun to get to interact with them. But until next time, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll leave comments below if this is something that you would be interested in doing. And until next time, I will see you later. Bye.